Yep, it's a rocket. So I have a folding chair. I don't know what is it. Some kind of canister. It's a part of camouflage net. Those are parts from a box. Canister. Probably for the water. Bed for sleeping. It's not just bed, it's a gummy boat. Some casings for AK. And definitely a nice view. Like 20-30 meters eastwards from the position, I stopped to tighten up my boots, and behind the bush I discovered another position. Haven't noticed this one before. Okay, this is the same pattern. It's really perfectly camouflaged. What to say? Here I can see a wire which is connected to the wedge, and it was probably used for the camouflage net. Excellent positions. Okay, I'm going up there. So on that hill on May 27th, 1992, the major battle happened. So we have this plateau here and here. Again, I have a hiding spot or kind of battlement. So let's check it out. Can't say. It could be a hiding spot for the shepherds. Okay, I found some kind of lair, but I'm not going to check out what is inside. Probably a badger. The hill is up there, so I have to cross those rocks. So this is the shrapnel probably from the rocket, 128mm rocket. Yep, it's a rocket. I was right. Look at the number. Here I have one more shrapnel, and here's a part of the fuse. Yep, that's the fuse. So I'm approaching to the top of the hill. So just imagine what was it like to fight here. You know, it's a rocky area, and the temperatures were really high. It's like 30 degrees of Celsius, and artillery is covering all this ground. So it's not just the shrapnel that it's going to kill you, it's practically the rocks and lots of artillery from the both opposing sides. And here I do have first battlement, and shrapnel is inside, but also sardine can, and it was looking towards that place, which was strategic in that time. And this is here a direct hit, and you can see the shrapnel inside. You see this one? Ah, it's a can, it's not the shrapnel. So I can see the first battlement below the top of the hill, and I don't know why, but I always to step on the hard surface when I approach positions like this. And the other one is over there. Stabilizer for 82mm mortar. So here I have a direct hit, and this one is probably another one. It's probably fired from the mortar. Okay, part of the uniform, huh? This is finding. Okay. Yep. Unbelievable, huh? Maybe there are some pockets, and maybe something isn't inside of the pockets. Let's check it out. One pocket. Another pocket. Nothing. Let's put it back into place. I say, you can see the part of uniform here. You can see the cans here, and you can see the shell hits here and here. So whoever was targeting this area was pretty precise. And the battlement is here. So definitely pretty precise artillery. At that time, Serbian, Montenegrin forces were using Yugoslav army uniforms, and this was the army button of the Yugoslav army. So this position I was hit with the various kind of artillery. I think those are remnants of the 76 4mm cannon, and this is part of the shrapnel of the 82mm mortar. Here you can see the cable, a roller for field cable. Put it back. And here you can see the part of the helmet, which is completely smashed by artillery. Stabilizer for 82mm mortar, and army ration. It's also hit with the shrapnel. So it was pretty cut here on May 27, 1992. And this is the top. You can see the stabilizers for 82mm. And I can also see the cover for the field phone. It's M63, I think, and there should be you can see the this is the cover for the field phone, M63. Okay, this was here before, a long time before this war, in 1992. And again, you have the part of the uniform. Okay, let's check this. Probably a lamp. It was a lamp. Opa, this one wasn't open. Just open with the shrapnels. And the huge shrapnel there. It's a shell. It's a thick one. Yep. Unbelievable. And one of the numerous battlements on the north slope. So there were not just battlements on the southern side, but lots of them behind the summit. And then we have 120mm stabilizers. I think that this one was fired from Croatian side. And there is this famous cave. So we are going to check it out inside. But anyway, it was used as a shelter for Serbian Montenegrin forces on that day and the previous days. Wires for the field phone. Sleeping bag. And here we can see the sleeping pads. It's kind of a deep cave. I think I found the filter for the gas mask. Yep, I did. And it's... And then I just stopped here to change my clothes, and of course under me I can dig out the stabilizer for 82mm mortar. Unbelievable how many shells hit this hill. Then another one is inside this battlement, and then another one is just in front of me. It's this one. And I can see a dozen just a few meters in front of me. Unbelievable. The other one is behind me, and there's also a helmet down there. So let's take a look at the helmet. First, two more stabilizers, and this one was produced in 1986. And here is the helmet. So wherever we step, there are remnants of that day. Artillery shell. Then another one. Should I count them? And another one below my feet. Look at this one. It's practically the whole body. Unbelievable. Another one. Are you counting? Because if you are counting, count this one,